Are you starting your own homestead or farm? Then this is going to be a great watch for you. This is a snippet of a conversation that Chris and I shared with you guys a little bit ago, where we really talked about our first complete year of homesteading and some of the ups and downs that we went through throughout the process. And this is going to dive into some of the easiest and hardest parts of starting a homestead. So without further ado, I'm going to play that clip. What do you think was the easiest part of getting started on a homestead?
Deciding that we wanted to do it. Everything else was hard. Everything else is hard and is still continuously hard to provide all of that extra effort. Having full-time jobs and families and friends that you want to spend time with. There's a lot of time that gets involved in starting something from scratch. So pretty much my body's always tired. We don't have the tools for stuff, but it's definitely rewarding and a cool experience to learn along the way and see things change. Even the small wins are wins for us.
Definitely. And I think to me, the easiest part to go off of that is once you have a routine, just keeping that routine, definitely getting to a routine and being like, okay, every morning we have to do this. But once you start creating automations in your farm and you start having things just feel like second nature, now things run easier. So definitely once you have automations and just a routine, it's easy. Coming up with the idea of homesteading was very easy, for sure. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if you like this Q&A style, please make sure to comment down below and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.